Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Sash Dash Magic. Today we're doing a DIY project. Oh, I didn't even say, this is Daddy's workshop. Now he's trying to do a guitar, but we're not doing the guitar today. Another day. So we're going to be carving out my own name from wood. So let's just get into it. This is the wood we're going to make the letters from. Okay. I don't know how I did this, but it magically appeared. Just saying, this is our plan. Alright, so here are the outlines of the letters. There's the S, another S, A, another A, and the lonely H. And now comes the time to cut them out. I'm ready! Abracadabra! I can't believe it worked! Well, let's get drilling! Oh, and in fact, always do this with your parents. Do not do it alone if you're a child. If you're a parent, well, lucky you. Well, luckily, it's not fully died yet. It can, well, still do that, but the battery is so low that if we do these holes, it'll just stop in the very middle. We will have a timeout, or not timeout, a break from this magnificent video, and we'll just charge this good guy up, and yeah, while we're having the break, we might eat some croissants or something. So yeah, we're having a good day. So see you then in a year. Goodbye. Okay, everyone, we're back from. Why are you here? Bye. Okay. Anyway, so we are now back from our break. Our beauty is charged. Okay, so let's get going. We are using something way deadlier than this beauty. So definitely do not do it on your own if you're a child, like I said. This one, but that one's less deadly. Good boy. Good. Okay, so now I guess I feel a bit jealous because I am not using this. My dad is. Yeah. I can show my name to you. That and there's my name. This is a good one. Yeah, I know it's really good. This one also excellent. This one, brilliant. This one, really good. And this. What? Daddy, did you break it?
A bit.
Is this a bit? Okay, so as you can see, Daddy messed it up. Look at that. But at least he said he will fix it. Trust me, if he fails again, this is an emergency. All gummy bears evacuate! Yeah! This is luckily for toughest jobs on Earth. So probably I am doing the toughest job on Earth. Might not be 100% tough. Right, it's leaking from the sides, which is maybe a bad sign, who knows. Okay, while this glue is toughening, we will sand the other letters, and then I hope the glue will already be hardened, so let's just get right into it. So now we are going to sand these sharp corners with this baby. Oh, and we have a trusty old vacuum cleaner over here to stay by our side and help us out to clean all the dust. Yeah. Oh, I need a dust mask. I nearly forgot about that. Oh, let's use some magic. Oh, can you hear me? I said, can you hear me? Okay, first letter accomplished. My hands are actually really tired. Let's carry on the next letter. Sarcastic hooray. Okay, so I actually really like how I finished this. This was all by myself. No help from my dad.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe a little bit he did help. Okay, to be honest. But because I am so exhausted from that, I'm now going to use some magic. Okay. Yeah! There we go. And now, third one. Here we go. Okay. Alright, now we're on my fourth one. And now on my fifth one. What? Oh my. Wait. I just remembered. It broke. But let's see. Okay, it comes off. Wow. I mean, it's okay. Decent work. Okay, so everyone, we have now got the letters. They're really good. We're going to start with a primer and end with the beautiful neon paint. But we're going to do that outside. So let's just go outside. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Hopefully I don't have a beard now. I think I do. But anyway, we're just going to leave these to dry somewhere an hour or so. And we'll come back and put the neon paint on. Because we have to start with the white and then put the neon paint. If you understand what I mean. It's like wearing two coats at once. What? Okay, there we go. But we'll see you in an hour time. Goodbye. Hello everyone. We've waited in a couple of hours. Now we're having the second coat, which is the magnificent neon yellow. Okay, just let's get into it. So I've learned a lot from this, but there's only one problem. If I touch it and I keep my finger on it, there will be a touch mark, like I already done. Because I didn't know that it will happen. My dad said, oh, if you touch it, it'll leave a touch mark. And I said, well, really? I touched it and for long and then let go, and I was like, oh, okay, Dad, you were right. Okay, but that's the only problem. Oh no, it doesn't really light up. But at least it's an luminous colour, and it might just be seen in the dark, but it won't glow. But it's still perfect. So everyone, a few days ago we bought a neon yellow paint thing, which spray thing, and I'm pretty disappointed. It doesn't glow in the dark, and so that's why I have these two. Well, we just wanted this one, yeah. But we got a glow in the dark, which I used to use, but it wasn't blue. But we used to use it and it actually worked, so I just remembered about it, and then we bought that one. And now we have it here, and we will spray it onto here. And some of you might not know, but the glow in the dark, whenever it's not in the dark, you can't see it. It's completely see-through. So probably what we're just going to do, we're going to spray this on top of the neon paint, and then it will glow in the dark and it will still have its beautiful colour. But well, I just thought this one was fun, and I want to really spray it because it says it's a glitter sparkling finish, and it has glitter and it's a rainbow. I'm thinking, what could it do? But we'll check it out just now, okay? Is it? Oh, it's just rainbow dot. It's rainbow glitter. So as you guys might see, it's not actually rainbow. It's just the glitter that is rainbow. It's just multicolored glitter. The paint isn't rainbow though. Oh, hi everyone. I think I just ran into a video. Oh no. Okay, a bit of advice. Whenever you're painting with spray paint, be sure to wear one of these masks. Because if you don't, danger stands beside you and you might breathe in some of that paint. 3, 2, 1, go! Another one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh gosh, go. Okay everyone, so this was really fun, but this is what we'll have to do. We will have to carefully take them off. But the thing is, I think So probably if we take it off, we have to be really careful because then maybe paper can stick on it. Drum roll, please. Here's my name. Isn't it beautiful? Huh? Oh, wait. Oh, anyway, we'll just get to putting it in my room, hang them on my wall. Yahoo! Okay, everyone, we are in my room, and now we have double-sided tape, and we have our letters in my room, and we are going to double tape them, or tape them, rip the other side off, stick them onto the wall. Okay guys, let's stick this to the wall. Everyone, this is going to look really good because like if I go in here, it's dark. I suddenly see lighting up, glitter, and then yellow, and what was it? Just white. Every single thing we just put on that, put it all together, and it turned out, yeah, the H is really bad. We probably have to double tape that one again. I was having bad luck with that one, so we probably will. And hang! That wasn't meant to be slow motion. It's stuck! Come on, fall. Oh, I guess, yeah, we're done! That was a really fun project, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!